Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Android version and whether you need root access. This dictates the method. Next, install a keyboard or font manager that supports custom emoji fonts. Once done, obtain a verified iOS emoji TTF file or prepare an iOS keyboard APK for sideloading. Make sure storage and permissions are set so files can be moved. You're starting active work now. Don't stop at setup. Follow the installation steps immediately to swap the emoji font. Now you'll perform the core integration. If your device is rooted, replace the system emoji font with the iOS TTF using a file explorer and correct permissions. If unrooted, sideload an iOS-style keyboard APK or use an app that injects fonts into keyboards. Once installed, clear Instagram cache and restart the app so the new glyphs render. Test the emoji in a neutral app first. Make sure to preserve backups, and note that Android rendering and color may still differ from native iOS. Finish by opening Instagram stories and selecting the new keyboard or font. Place emojis like any sticker and adjust size and color. If emojis appear as squares or blank boxes, make sure the font file permissions are 644 and the file name matches expected system names, or clear Instagram cache and relaunch. If problems persist, reinstall the keyboard app or restore the original font from your backup. One key troubleshooting tip. A quick reboot after font changes often forces the system to reload glyph caches and fixes most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.